Hey everyone, I'm AJ. A lot of you know me. Maybe not everybody knows my whole story, but started my business in 2018, and I really saw a little bit of growth. I did all right, but I over the first couple of years I was not anywhere near where I wanted to be. I wanted to be at the place where I can go on vacations whenever I want, take time away from the clinic whenever I want, and have it run flawlessly without me. I wanted to be at the place where my wife didn't have to work and she could raise our young kid and hopefully future kids from home without sending them to daycare and having a stranger raise them. And so I struggled. I tried my hardest. I'm really good at teaching myself things. I'm very resourceful. Taught myself how to play piano, how to play guitar. I'll do a lot of things like that. But above with above average results even. But here I am with a business, and I'm doing just okay. And just okay was not enough. And so it was in mid 2021 when I finally decided I needed to take things to the next level. I needed to commit hard. I do really well with accountability, and having a model of somebody to look up to for success, and really just confidence and knowing that I have this person in my corner helping me make the decisions that are really, really tough. And so that's the massive value that comes from the performance mastermind is being surrounded by other people who are creating a life for themselves that is my dream. And the through the performance mastermind, really the biggest, really like transformative thing that I've done for myself and my family is I've built a team instead of trying to do everything myself. I hired a PT, hired front desk admins, hired another PT, hired another PT, and here I am. And my wife, I'm not, I am living the dream, but I'm not 100% where I want to be. I have pretty high expectations for myself, but man, I'm in a good place. My wife doesn't have to work. My practice is running itself. We have several evaluations today, just as I'm speaking, where my PTs are able to support the practice, continue its growth, and bring revenue in. And here I am at home about to eat lunch with my family. And so, that's really where the performance mastermind is exceptionally valuable, is helping business owners and giving them the tools and the confidence and the support to be able to start to scale from a sole practitioner to a team. And when you make that transition, going basically from just doing okay to being a success. And so, that's basically what I have to say about that.